So in the summation question, we see a pattern that the terms in the denominator are just one more. And so we can write the nth term as 1 over n times n plus 1. And it's this expression that we can rewrite as 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. So this one actually it's a little bit unfair. I already know about this sequence, and I know that these two are equivalent. So it's going to be very difficult in the exam to actually come up with that. So it's one of those problems where if you sort of have seen something similar before, you have an advantage. Now, how does this help us? Well, we can rewrite these terms as the first one would be 1 over 1 minus a half. Second would be 1 over a half minus a third. Then 1 over 3 minus a fourth, and so on and so forth. I'm going to write the last two terms. So it would be 1 over 99 minus 1 over 100 plus 1 over 100 minus 1 over 101. Now, if you look at the summation now, it's just really just me rewriting that form. We'll notice that a lot of these terms would drop out. And we would be left with the first and this last term. So 1 minus 1 over 101, which is just 100 over 101. So the answer is C. So that's assuming you've seen something similar before and you can recognize it and use that fact. But let's say you haven't seen this before. What are our other options to handle a problem like this? In that case, what you can do is to find the sum of the first term, the second, the first two, the first third, first fourth, and see if you can create a pattern. So if the number of terms is 1 in the series, the sum is half. And if there are 2, then I would add half plus 1/6. And this would be 3/6 plus 1/6, or 4/6, which is 2/3. So that's the sum of 2 terms. 3 would be 2/3 plus 1 over 3 times 4. And this would be 2/3, so I multiply it by 4 by 4. This is 8/12 plus 1/12, which is 9 over 12. Divide by 3, this is 3/4. And I hope you can start to see the pattern. So the sum of the 4 terms, here the fourth term would be 1 over 4 times 5. I can even factor a fourth. And this would be 16/5. And that's 4/5. So we'll start to see a pattern here that 4 terms, the 4 is in the numerator, and then it's 1 more. 3 terms, 3, and 3 plus 1. So if we do 100 terms, which this is the 100th term, this would be 100 over 101, which is, again, answer choice C. So this is what I would do if I encounter a sequence where I'm not familiar with how to recognize a pattern or rewrite it. So to recap, the answer is C.